is Kyle Crawford here with Air Power. Today in our finishing lab, we got HB Fuller and Graco doing a PD2K demo. Come on, let's check it out. Alright, so today we're here with HB Fuller. This is Austin. We're here with Nick Lewis of Graco, and we're here with Aaron Elliott of Graco. So Austin, what are we spraying today?
We brought our two-component membrane press adhesive, our swim-tech adhesive to run through the PD2K.
Nick, tell us about the equipment.
This is our positive displacement 2K machine. We're using pumps here to manage accurate flow control and ratio. Aaron can kind of elaborate on what we're doing specifically with this adhesive.
Sure, we're driving this to a specific fluid pressure to a manual gun, so we can give a constant, good ratio of product at a pressure that they expect without the use of regulation.
Cool. Well, thank you all for coming in today, and we enjoy doing stuff here in our finishing lab, and we appreciate HB Fuller and Graco coming in. So thank you.